Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best fermentation bucket is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any homebrewer or fermenter, offering a reliable and controlled environment for your creations to thrive, ensuring optimal flavor development and preventing unwanted spoilage. This sturdy bucket, complete with a secure lid and an airlock, is designed to maintain the perfect conditions for everything from beer and wine to kombucha and sauerkraut, making it an indispensable tool for achieving consistent and delicious results in your fermentation projects. Number 5. Easy Fermenter Mason Jar Airlock Lids, 4-pack. Simplify your fermentation process with our easy-to-use airlock lids. Designed for wide-mouth mason jars, they make creating sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles a breeze. These lids are made specifically for wide-mouth mason jars, ensuring a perfect fit and a secure seal every time. They offer the ease and efficiency you need for successful fermentation. Crafted from durable, food-safe plastic, each lid is built to last. The leak-proof gasket ensures an airtight seal, so you can ferment with confidence. Transform any wide-mouth mason jar into a fermentation powerhouse. These versatile lids provide a secure seal, making it easy to start fermenting your favorite foods right away. We understand the frustration of traditional jar burping. That's why we created this revolutionary solution to help you perfect your harvest with ease. Simplify your fermentation with Easy Fermenter. What we like. Simplify your fermentation process with these easy-to-use lids. They are designed to fit wide-mouth mason jars perfectly, making home fermentation a breeze. If you are looking for a straightforward and reliable way to start fermenting sauerkraut, kimchi, or pickles, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The lid seals tightly, preventing any unwanted air from entering the bucket. The included airlock works effectively, allowing gases to escape while keeping contaminants out. The bucket is made of durable plastic that feels sturdy and should last for many fermentation cycles. Number 4. Elementi Mason Jar Fermentation Lids. Discover the simplest way to ferment delicious foods at home. Our lids are designed for effortless use, making your fermentation journey smooth and enjoyable. These lids are tailored for all brands of wide-mouth mason jars, ensuring an airtight and reliable seal. Enjoy crisp, flavorful ferments every time. Simply fill the airlock with water and let it do the work. They offer a stress-free process, maintaining the ideal environment for perfectly fermented foods. Create fresh, nutrient-rich kimchi and other fermented foods right in your kitchen. Homemade ferments just taste better. Our innovative silicone grommets allow for easy transitions from fermentation to storage. Extra grommets are included so you're always prepared. What we like. Experience fermentation made easy with these high-performance lids. They provide a perfect seal for wide-mouth mason jars and feature a reusable silicone flip-top grommet for easy transitions. If you appreciate low maintenance and high performance, and want the convenience of a reusable component, these are ideal for you. What people say. The lid seals tightly, preventing any unwanted contamination during fermentation. The included airlock works perfectly, allowing gases to escape without letting air in. This bucket is made of durable, food-grade plastic that is easy to clean and sanitize. Number 3. US Solid 6.5-gallon Fermenter. Prioritize your well-being with our fermenting bucket. It's crafted from premium, food-grade materials, ensuring a safe and worry-free brewing experience every time. Enjoy the convenience of a generous 6.5-gallon capacity. This allows for larger batches and provides ample headspace for optimal fermentation, perfect for all skill levels. This brewing bucket is constructed from durable, heavy-duty polypropylene. Its rugged yet lightweight design makes it easy to handle during all your brewing and cleaning tasks. Say goodbye to messy siphoning. Our integrated spigot allows for smooth, direct transfers to your secondary or bottles, saving you time and effort. Keep your brews pure and safe with the included 3-piece airlock. It provides an airtight seal, allowing gases to escape while blocking contaminants. What we like. This large-capacity fermenter is perfect for brewing bigger batches with ease. Its integrated no-siphon spigot eliminates messy transfers, saving you time and effort. If you are a homebrewer looking to scale up your production or prefer a more convenient transfer method, this 6.5-gallon bucket is the way to go. What people say. The lid seals tightly, preventing any contamination. The airlock works perfectly, allowing gas to escape without letting air in. The bucket is made of durable, food-grade plastic that is easy to clean. Number 2. Easy Fermenter Green Kit. Introducing the Easy Fermenter Green Kit, your all-in-one solution for home fermentation. It includes everything you need to make delicious sauerkraut, kimchi, pickles, and more. Crafted from durable, food-safe plastic, each lid features a leak-proof gasket. You can ferment with confidence, knowing your food is safe and secure from unwanted air. Turn any wide-mouth mason jar into a fermentation powerhouse. These versatile lids and the included oxygen extractor pump work together seamlessly. The included pump removes excess air from your jars, ensuring a fresh and healthy ferment. Prevent unwanted air with this innovative system. We understand the challenges of fermentation, so we've created a revolutionary solution. Simplify your process and perfect your harvest with ease. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for successful home fermentation, including an oxygen extractor pump. The durable lids ensure an airtight seal, keeping your ferment safe and secure. If you want a complete package that includes a tool to actively manage air in your jars, this kit is a great option. What people say. The lid seals tightly, preventing any unwanted air from entering the bucket. The included airlock works effectively, allowing gases to escape while keeping contaminants out. The bucket is made of durable plastic that feels sturdy and should last for many fermentation cycles. Number 1. Elementi Fermenting Kit. Introducing the Elementi Fermenting Kit, designed to make fermentation easy and enjoyable. This set includes everything you need to get started with your favorite fermented foods. Crafted from food-safe glass and BPA-free plastic, our components ensure your ferments are healthy and free from contaminants. You can trust that there will be no flavor or odor transfer. These essential weights keep your vegetables submerged, preventing spoilage from excess oxygen. The included lids maintain the ideal anaerobic environment for successful fermentation. Our kit is perfectly sized for wide-mouth mason jars, including popular brands. It's ideal for small-batch fermentation, pickling, and creating delicious sauerkraut or kimchi. Built to last, these durable weights and lids are reusable and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Enjoy years of effortless fermentation with this reliable kit. Simply add your ingredients, submerge them with a weight, and seal with a lid. Then, just wait for your perfect sauerkraut, kimchi, or other fermented delights to be ready. What we like. Achieve great fermentation with these food-safe glass weights and lids. They are designed to keep your vegetables submerged, preventing spoilage from excess oxygen. If you are looking for a way to ensure your ferments stay below the brine and appreciate durable, reusable, and dishwasher-safe components, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The lid fits snugly and securely, preventing any unwanted contaminants from entering the bucket. The airlock works perfectly, allowing gases to escape while keeping the contents safe from oxidation. The bucket is made of durable, food-grade plastic that is easy to clean and maintain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.